Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will compare Ledger Nano versus Trezor Safe 3. We will explore the key features and differences between these popular hardware wallets. Understanding their unique strengths will help you decide which device best suits your cryptocurrency security needs. Both offer excellent protection for your digital assets, but they approach security and user experience in distinct ways. First, you'll need to access your Tesla's main controls. On your touchscreen, tap the car icon located at the bottom left of the display. This action opens the primary settings menu. From there, navigate to the safe.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more Tesla tips. On another note, if you're looking to truly change how you think about money, I highly recommend *The Simple Path to Wealth*. It's a fantastic book. You can find the link to it, along with other great deals, in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Once in safety and security, locate the lock confirmation sound setting. Tapping this will reveal a selection of different sounds. You can tap each sound to hear a preview, helping you decide which one you prefer. After making your choice, simply confirm it, and your Tesla will immediately adopt the new lock sound. If you don't see certain sound options, ensure your Tesla has the boombox feature, as some sounds are exclusive to it. Always make sure your vehicle is in park when attempting to change these settings. If you encounter any issues, a quick restart of your touchscreen can often resolve minor glitches. Enjoy customizing your Tesla.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.